Hey there, fellow football fanatics. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of soccer news and updates. I'm your host, and today, we have a juicy topic to discuss. Get ready because we're about to reveal why Brazil won't be wearing their iconic yellow shirts against England at Wembley. Let's jump right into it.
So, what's the deal with Brazil ditching their famous yellow jerseys? Well, this upcoming clash against England marks a special occasion as it's the first time in 7 years that the Seleção will be hosted by the Three Lions. But hold your horses, folks, because you won't be seeing those iconic yellow shirts on the Brazilian players this time around. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture behind this fashion choice. The Brazilian Football Confederation, CBF, and Nike have decided to showcase Brazil's blue away strip against England and their traditional yellow jerseys in their upcoming match against Spain. Why? Well, it's a strategic move to give fans a glimpse of both the home and away kits before the highly anticipated Copa America this summer. But wait, there's more. While Brazil is mixing it up, England will be sticking to their classic white jersey. However, this choice has stirred up some controversy due to the revamped St. George's cross on the back of the shirt. Nevertheless, the Three Lions are on a roll, having not lost a match since their 2022 World Cup quarterfinal defeat against France. Now, let's shift our focus to the future. Brace yourselves, because England is set to unveil their brand new purple away kit in their upcoming match against Belgium at Wembley. I can already hear the fans buzzing with excitement for this stylish change. Before we wrap things up, let's touch on Brazil's challenges in this match. Unfortunately, they will be missing key players like Neymar, Gabriel, Marquinhos, Casemiro, Gabriel Martinelli, Alisson Becker, and Ederson due to their ongoing recovery from injuries. It's definitely going to be a tough test for their new manager, Dorival Jr., as he takes charge of his first match on Saturday evening, succeeding Fernando Diniz. And that's a wrap, my friends. We've uncovered the mystery behind Brazil's decision to ditch their yellow shirts and rock their blue away strip against England. Make sure to tune in to witness this historic clash between two footballing powerhouses and see how Brazil fares without some of their star players. As always, thank you for joining us on this adventure through the world of football. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest soccer news. Until next time, keep kicking it on the pitch.